here's the only way of seeing your sent friend requests on Roblox. So if we go right here and we click on friends, you will see this option or tab called requests. Now, unfortunately, those are the requests that you have received and not the requests that you have sent. So how do we actually see our sent friend requests? Well, Roblox does not have such a function, so your best bet is going by names and trying to remember who have you actually sent a request to. So for example, let's search for Sasha right here in people. As you can see, if you search for the person's name, so just basically you have to try and think hard of what you can do, and if you have sent a request to the person, it will say request sent right here. So if I just click on the person's profile, as you can see, it will show the request as pending. Now, I know that's not optimal, but that is your best bet. So I repeat, if you want to see the friend requests you've sent, so simply think hard and think of the names of the people whom you might have sent friend requests to in Roblox. So if I do this for Peter the same way, as you can see, we have not added anyone as Peter. Now, if the person's name is like Food Lover 69, well, good luck with that. But that's your best bet, and that's really all you can do to try and see your sent friend requests on Roblox. So I hope this was useful to some extent. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.